Matapos ihayag ni Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago sa kanyang privilege speech ang kasong kinasangkutan ni Senator Juan Ponce Enrile. Nais ngayon imbestigahan ng Department of Justice ang mga ibinunyag ni Santiago. Para sa detalye, narito ang ulat ni Sam Ramirez.
Pag-aaralan ng Department of Justice ang mga paratang ni Senadora Miriam Defensor Santiago sa kanyang privilege speech laban kay Senate Minority Floor Leader Juan Ponce Enrile. Ito'y matapos magpadala ng formal na sulat ang senadora kay Justice Secretary Laila De Lima na nagsasabing imbestigahan si Enrile. Matatanda ang inakusahan ng iba't ibang paratang ng senadora si Enrile. Ilan dito, si Enrile daw ang responsable para sa libo-libong human rights violations noong panahon ng martial law. Isa rin daw si Enrile sa mga nagpapanatili ng isang smuggling hub sa Port Irene sa Cagayan Province. Tinawag din ni Santiago si Enrile bilang isang psychopathic hypersexualized serial womanizer ni Janet Lim Napoles, ang tinaguriang pork barrel scam queen.
If he smarted against the accusation, and really could have requested for additional hearing where he could be personally present and interpolate Janet Napoles, who appears to be his BFF, his best friend forever. But he chooses to keep away and to keep silent because he's immobilized by fear and humiliation. This man, contrary to logic and common sense, hopes to evade criminal prosecution and public outrage over his plunder by resurrecting campaign dirt against me, which are over 21 years old.
Ayon kay Presidential Communications Operations Office Secretary Herminio Coloma, inaasahan nila sa mga mambabatas ang paglalaan ng oras para isulong ang mga mahalagang panukalang batas na ikauunlad ng bansa.
We continue to believe in the importance of the Senate and the Congress as the legislative arm of the government. What we can probably say is that the people would expect from their elected lawmakers actions that will address the key issues that are in the forefront of our development agenda, and that debates will also address how appropriate laws may be enacted so that national policy can be shaped and implemented toward the improvement of the lives of our people.
Suportado naman ng Malacanang ang isasagawang pag-aaral ng DOJ sa mga paratang ni Santiago kay Enrile. Dagdag pa ng kalihim, hindi na nila kailangan pang ipag-utos ang investigasyon dahil patuloy na ginagawa ng DOJ ang mandato nito. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Sam Ramirez.